Hello everyone, this is Shalini Sharma and I welcome you all in Shalini English classes. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to explain two more kinds of classifieds from the topic advertisements from writing section of English syllabus. Before I initiate the explanation of my topic, I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Shalini English Classes. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, as you will be getting notifications for my new videos automatically. So students, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start today's topic, and in today's video I will be explaining you two more kinds of classified advertisements. Let's recapitulate once the kinds of classifieds, and they are situation vacant, situation wanted, lost and found, matrimonial, for sale and to let. In my previous video, I had explained situation vacant and situation wanted classified ads. Now, in today's video, I will be explaining two more kinds of classifieds. First classified is lost and found. So let's understand which points should be remembered while drafting a lost and found advertisement. So what are the points? Number 1, description of the article lost or found. Then you have to mention date, time and place. Then if someone found, who and where to contact. Then reward promised, and somewhere you have to provide the details of the lost or found articles through some general features. Remember that. And at last, contact number and address if you want to give. Here you can see one sample question of lost and found column, where an owner has lost his pet and drafting an advertisement in not more than 50 words. So have a look at the sample. What details have been mentioned? Some details regarding the pet, then physical attributes, then date, time and place when the pet was missing, and then the last line, if you will look here properly, it is written as finder will be suitably rewarded. So this should be mentioned, and then at last you have to mention contact number and the person who should be contacted. So all these details should be mentioned in any advertisement of lost and found column. Here you can see sample question of found article for lost and found column. So again you can see the details which have been mentioned in the advertisement in not more than 50 words. Details regarding the found article, some general features, then time and place of the found article is stated precisely. Then owner can claim the article after verification. In the found article, you have to mention this line. And at last, you have to mention the name of the person who should be contacted and contact number. So these details can be written or drafted in the found article ad of lost and found column. After understanding lost and found classified ad, here you can understand second kind of classified, and that is matrimonial. So which points should be remembered for matrimonial ads? That is, first of all, you have to mention personal details like complexion, age, height, weight. Then you can mention about income, job, education, property. Then you can mention about family background, community, religion. And then type of marriage expected, like simple marriage, decent marriage, early marriage, Okay, and then cast no bar or cast is a bar. All these things can be mentioned. And then details of the prospective bride or groom should be written. It should be drafted properly. And then finally, the contact address and telephone number. So all these details are required for drafting matrimonial ad of classifieds. Here you can see one sample question of matrimonial ad in which a family is seeking a bride for their boy. So you can see here details given like personal details, then education, income, then religion, community, then simple marriage, early marriage, and then details of the prospective bride. All these things are given in this ad. I hope it must be clear to you how to draft a matrimonial ad for bride. Here you can see one more sample question of matrimonial ad in which a family is seeking bridegroom for their daughter. So how this advertisement has been drafted? Same way. Personal details, then education, property, family background, religion. Then you can see here it is mentioned the details of the prospective bridegroom, then early marriage, simple marriage or decent marriage, and then finally the contact address and email ID. So all these details should be mentioned in the matrimonial ad for seeking bridegroom. Now you can see samples of some real life situation ads. You can see here one example from Lost and Found column. Here you can see one example of found an article in the Lost and Found column. Now you can see sample of matrimonials. Such kind of matrimonial ads we generally see in newspapers. Here I am sharing with you the assignment for advertisements part 3. You have to do this assignment in your fair notebooks in legible handwriting. I have attached the same assignment with the description box of this video. So students, please do it with proper layouts and instructions given in the video. Here I would like to inform all of you that in this part 3 video of advertisements, I have explained two kinds of classifieds, that is Lost and Found and matrimonial. Please students, don't forget to watch advertisements part 1 and part 2 video where I have explained in detail the kinds of ads and situation vacant and situation wanted ads. So for detailed explanation of those two ads and introduction part of advertisements, please do watch those two parts. So that's it from my side for today's topic. Hope you must have understood the concept clearly. Once again a reminder, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further updates regarding my new videos. Thanks students for watching this video. Take very good care of yourselves. Have a great day ahead.